Today's videos is going to be one of my product review video. Last week I bought this Lash lift kit that I tried and I absolutely in love with it. Now I'm going to be talking about another element that it has in the box, which is the Lash tint and the eyebrow tint. You probably noticed right now that my eyebrow is very dark. That's because of the tint that I try. I will show you the process how I do it, and I will be talking about eyebrow care as well. Actually, in the kit, it's only say lash lift and lash tint, and why not, right? I have eyebrows as well, so might as well try it out. And it's actually worked very well. If you have a dark eyebrows like me, I wouldn't recommend you to use it. But if you have a very lighter color eyebrow, I would say it's probably worth it. Give it a try. Before I show you the process of how I do lash tint and eyebrow tint, maybe you wanna check my previous video. I did the whole process of how I apply my lash lift at home. It can be a very good guideline for you if you want to do it at home. But if you want someone to do it for you at home, you can ask your mother or your parents or your friends to do it for you as well, so you can close your eyes properly. The way I do it, first of all, I need to mention that I keep my eye open all the time, and it's not the best way to apply the product. Unfortunately, it is DIY that I do it myself. Unfortunately, there is no one here who can help me do it at home apart from myself. So yeah, let's go and have a look at video, and I hope you enjoy it. In these videos, I will just follow the step 3. I will glue up my lashes and comb it up as I would do on my lash lift. However, I will only use the step 5 and step 3 mixing together.
I thought you'd always be mine. Oh, yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know.
I mix the 2 ingredients up, and I will just straight away put it on my lashes. When you left it for about 5-10 minutes, it will go a little bit darker. So on the leaflet, it will say to leave it on about 18 to 20 minutes, but in this case, I left it on for about 15 minutes only. It works absolutely fine.
Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Now, no words no more, no.
After 15 or 18 minutes passed, I then use the solution number 4 to wipe out all the excess of the dye.
No more, we're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. We're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, we're done now. No words no more, no, no. Yeah.
And that is basically the whole box review. My final thought will be 10 out of 10, to be honest. There is nothing to minus the point there at all. I like the packaging. The packaging is very compact, and inside you have every single thing that you will ever want for lash lift kit and lash tint. You can basically, in this box for $29.99, you can do your lash lift, you can do your lash tint, you can do your eyebrow tint, and the shelf life of this product actually lasts 18 months over there. 18 months. You can be using this for such a long time. I did my lash lift last week and this week, so it's basically 7 days past. It's still firming and it's still up as like, okay, I'll show you in close. That is the whole box review for me. And if you wonder how can you apply your Lash lift at home, or you wonder about the process, please go and have a look at my previous video so you can have a guideline or a walkthrough how you can apply the products. And that is it for the product review in this video. If you like the video, please like, comment and subscribe down below. And if you want me and if you want me to review other products as well, please also comment down below. I will go and hunt it for you. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day later on. Bye bye.